Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very disappointing day, but it's not like everything's destroyed. But looking at just today individually, then yeah, I mean, things started off that first 30 minutes. Check it out. Not only did the price gap up, and then the price just moved higher and higher and higher and higher, got all the way up there. And unfortunately, some poor souls were buying up around there. And then after that was basically selling pressure the rest of the day. So a very disappointing day in that regard. However, taking a step back and looking at things from more than just one single day, everything is hanging in there. What do I mean by hanging in there? Well, I think the best way to illustrate this is to get this trend line in play to illustrate that. And let me change this to green actually to represent support. But despite all the drama, but despite all the big swings and the gap up, which totally failed today, the price is still putting in these higher bases. And just to offer up more perspective, you can see right there. So I mean, it's even in a bigger picture, it's trying to get back, within the general direction of that bigger picture trend. But even looking at just right here the big distinction here is that it's really a matter of, well, what was your strategy going on? If you were some sort of day trader going in and all you cared about was today, meaning maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes. Well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks terrible. Now, if you care about more than just one day, if you care about several days, well, then as you can see here, despite the drama today, despite the disappointing day, the price is still within the general uptrend. So you're going to want to continue to watch that, trend line going forward, as that represents whether or not the price is actually making progress forward. Now, as far as areas of resistance, if there's going to be any sort of return back to the upside, that first key level of resistance is going to be right there at 1350. And then after 1350, next key area of resistance right up there at the $14 mark. So keep your eye on those technical levels going forward, and we'll see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.